Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 28 of saving $10 a day in April to get rid of my stash of minis and tinies. So I have my little cheat sheet so I know what day. So day 28, and let's get our binder all ready to go. So our spring challenges dashboard and prop coins come from Homebody Mama Savings. I'll have her linked below like I do in every video. I did buy some of Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner, her little mini set for May, and I am going to do that one in some of my videos, and then I am actually making another one. I think I made one for January. I think that was the only one I made. I can't remember if I made more than that, but I think I made one for January with the snowflakes. So I'm going to make something for May as well, and you'll see how I will incorporate it. So let's put our $10 in the bank and go to our clip, which is on number 2. The clip is from Jeanette at Jeanette's Journey. Ooh, we don't have a die. Let's do the pink one. Get my prop coins out, do one more little mix. All right, 3 for number 2. 1 for number 3. I feel like someone's just idling outside my house. 1 and 2 for number 4. 2 for number 5. 1, 2, 3 for number 6. Did I put, yeah. I thought I just said it and didn't put anything down. All right. 1 is getting 3. 2 is getting 2. 3 is getting 2. 4 is getting 1. 5 is getting 1. 6 is getting 1. Oh my gosh. Well, Kimmy, that probably just finished Kimmy's challenge of her saving with me doing 1. 3, and that's all we have. So we're going to start at number 2 again. Okay. So we are on day 28. So yeah, so we will do another stuffing like normal tomorrow, and then the next day we will count everything after we do our normal little video. That's exciting. Okay, so let's scoot things. All right, so number 1. Number 1 has $1, $2. $2 for number 1, and we have from, ooh, we finished. We only needed $1.75, but we got $2. So we finished this one from Bella at Saving Made Simple. So 1, 2, and 3 for 75 cents. And then 1, 2, 3, 4 for $1. So we have 25 cents we can use for the next one. And that one is going to be from Evergreen Budgets, formerly Printable by Woods. So we can put 25 cents in this super cute Ghosty Christmas. Yay! All right, number 2 has $1, $2, $2.75. Okay, and this one is from Becca Budget 777, but it's the Road to 1K collab. This is a while ago because we know Becca is almost to 4K. Lindsay is over 4K. So we have Bookish Mama Budgets, Elaine Realized, and Budget with Tiffany 26. I hope Elaine and Tiffany are both doing well. I know they had life situations come up, and they're handling it and doing the best that they can. And I would love to see them come back with videos, but we'll see what happens. So let's switch to blue. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, so that's that. And then we have 25, 50, 75, $1. That's that one. And then we have 75 cents. So 25, 50, and 75. This one's a big one. This is going to save $7. If we get another day like that, maybe we can finish that this month. We only have 2 more days to save. All right, so number 3 actually got $1. So let's see what number 3 has. Oh, it just needed $1. Yay, we finished another one. So 25, 50, 75, $1. And this is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we finished that. That. So we will get a new one, but we don't have anything to go into it. This is my last one. Oh my goodness. No, I have one. No, I have another one. Okay, so this is the Road to 1K. Budget with Tiffany 26, Bookish Mama Budgets, Becca Budget 777, and Elaine Realized. So we don't have anything to go in there. All right, number 4, we have $1. And number 4 is from Candy over at Stuff and Budget. So I'm going to finish out this row and I'll be right back. Perfect. All right, and then number 5, we have $1.25, and this one is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1, and then 25 cents. So $1.75, we'll finish that one. All right, and then number 6, we have $2. This one is, I thought we finished it. We did not. Okay, this is from Christine over at Financial Dreams with Christine. So we're putting smiley faces over the vegetables, which I'll continue to put smiley faces even if I don't like the vegetable. Like I don't like tomatoes. I don't. I like it when it's pureed and made into a sauce and put on a pizza. But that's about it. I like potatoes. But so just because they have cute faces, I'm smiley facing all of them. So we have 25, 50, 75, $1. And then 25, 50, 75, $2. So we only have 75 more cents. And this one will be done. Okay, so this will go here. And let's see what we got going on. All right, let's do a little mix of our prop coins. Put them in here. And then go to our bank. So let's see what we have. We have 5 and 3 for $8. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Oops, I almost put that in the wrong one. And then we go to the back, and I put my $8 in here. And my 2 challenges in here. Yay! Finish some. That's awesome. Ooh, that's getting a... Look at how thick that is. Alright guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me while I save some money. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day, and until next time, take care. Bye!